because this is a holistic one. So let's open the glove box first. This is where it starts to break apart. This place, break it out a little bit. Put our crowbar tool. Separate between felt backing and plastic housing. Find an angle to go in. Outside inside, gently, at a slow angle, let it loosen first. You can see it's open, and then we go up. Okay. Remove the cover after all the buckles are opened. You can see there are a couple of inversions here. Everyone is in the process of using a crowbar. Don't push in one direction. Try to force evenly. Make several buckles loose to easily open this board. The second step is to find the buckle of the inner and outer rings. It's a snap for an expansion screw. We just need to pry the outer ring open for it. Take out our expansion screw buckle. Replace this piece with a new one, including the inside. It's a piece of the whole, so we need to rewire this scraping strip. Break a little to the outside. With our battering sticks, shift it in at the location of our fault. Pry this buckle up. Lift up this side. After dismantling, pull the entire cover plate 7 out of the inclined angle. Pull it aside. Check the buckle here. If it is loose, try to press it in again. The location we need to install. The first installation location. The small buckle on the outside of the gray buckle. First, press the small buckle to this edge position. Lift up. Pull out this finger clasp. The wiring harness we match. Another big interface. Plug it directly into our original car. Installation complete. We occupy the original car and release one machine at a time. In addition, pull another small mother buckle. Plug it into our original car. You heard a click. Another interface is inserted. So our wiring harness is installed. Come to the inside position. Simply tidy up the most redundant wiring harnesses. Pull out big cover. Tucked in at an angle of inclination. Don't be in a hurry to press its buckle. Let it reach a certain installation location first. When we are internally a parallel state, no gaps, then the location of this interface. We can gently snap our buckle. Step by step weld in. Put the top of this expansion screw. Wet cone top to let it out. Then gently press the inside. So, we're stuck. The restoration of the cover is the same. We align all the buckles first. Okay, after the alignment is done, gently pat inward with our hands. All the gaps are in a compact state. Head down tight. Installation completed.